Hello! In this video, we will show you how to install a Gerber single-handle pull-down kitchen faucet. Single-handle pull-down faucets are designed for 1 or 3-hole sinks or countertops. This faucet we are demonstrating with is the Celine single-handle kitchen faucet. This faucet comes with integrated supply lines, like most of Gerber's single-handle faucets. Gerber offers many different single-handle kitchen faucets in a variety of styles and finishes. Let's get started. There are some basic tools and supplies you will need to complete this installation. These include an adjustable wrench, a Phillips head screwdriver, safety glasses, pipe tape, and silicone sealant. You may find it helpful to have a bucket, towel, flashlight, and gloves handy. Before you begin, make sure you have all of the necessary components. Use the installation manual that came with your product to double-check that you have all the parts. If your water supply is not already off, you can do so by turning the valves under your sink clockwise. You're gonna need to know whether you're installing your new faucet with or without a cover plate. A cover plate or deck plate is an escutcheon that can be used to cover extra holes in your countertop. If you are installing a cover plate, feed the supply lines through the cover plate hole. Mount the faucet by feeding the supply lines through the hole of counter or sink top. Now you're going to need to go under your sink. Feed the supply lines through the rubber washer first, then the metal washer, and lastly the clamp ring with 2 screws. It is important that the rubber gasket is against the underside of the sink or countertop. After you have everything aligned together and screwed on, you can use a Phillips screwdriver to tighten. It's helpful if someone can help you ensure the faucet is properly positioned from above while you secure it from below. Remove the plastic seal cover from the outlet port of the Sprayhead hose connector. Connect the Sprayhead hose to the outlet tube by pushing the Quick Connect couple onto the outlet port until you hear a click. Gently tug on the Sprayhead hose to make sure it's secure. Attach the grip lock weight to the Sprayhead hose below the tag seen here. When it's in position, rotate the weight sliding clip to lock. You can adjust the hose retraction length by moving the grip lock weight higher or lower on the Sprayhead hose. Now it's time to connect the supply lines. Be sure the supply lines do not interfere with the Sprayhead hose before you connect the lines. Apply pipe tape to the water supply inlets, one at a time. Connect the hot and cold supply lines to the water inlet ports by hand tightening the coupling nut. The supply lines are color-coded with red and blue threads to easily identify hot and cold supply lines. You can then securely tighten the lines with a wrench, being careful not to over-tighten. From here, you can turn on the water supply, check for leaks, and tighten any connections if needed. Next, you will need to flush the lines. Remove the Sprayhead from the hose by unscrewing the Sprayhead. Set the Sprayhead aside, along with the seal. Hold on to the Sprayhead hose to prevent it from falling back into the spout tube. Turn on the faucet with the handle in the middle to ensure water is being pulled from both the hot and cold lines. This ensures any debris is removed from the lines. Run the faucet for 30 to 60 seconds. You may want to have a towel available for splashes. While the faucet is running, check for leaks around your faucet and under the sink. There might be extra splashing as the Sprayhead is not in place to help control the pressure of the water coming out of the faucet. Reattach the Sprayhead assembly by screwing the Sprayhead and seal onto the hose. Make sure the seal is installed before attaching. Do not over-tighten the Sprayhead. Once the Sprayhead is reinstalled, test the faucet again to make sure it is working well and check for leaks at all connection points. If you have any questions while installing the faucet, please know our dedicated technical support team is here to help. Please visit gerber-us.com/support to view contact information and hours of service. Congratulations! You have successfully installed one of Gerber's well-crafted single-handle kitchen faucets. You're sure to enjoy this faucet's gorgeous design, as well as its superb lasting functionality. Thank you for choosing Gerber.